Businesses are now needing to process more and more data with technologies like big data, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. The need for processing data at the edge with minimal latency has increased. But traditional on-premise server rooms are no longer the best solution. Setting up a server room is a complex, time-consuming, and expensive project that requires extensive planning and the recruitment of various specialist personnel. Server rooms take up a lot of space and are difficult to relocate as they are fixed structures. Thankfully, nowadays, there are better alternatives. Zella DC. Whilst planning and building a server room is a long, complex, and expensive project, Susan knows that buying and installing a Zella Pro micro data center is fast and easy. Susan easily books a Zoom chat with a Zella DC team member to help her select the best solution for her needs. On the other hand, Mark needs to have many meetings to plan and build his server room. By the time Susan has selected and ordered her chosen Zella Pro, Mark will still be having many meetings and discussions with colleagues and external contractors.
Susan will receive her Zella Pro in a matter of weeks, and during this time, she won't have to do a thing. She can keep working as usual.
On the other hand, an IT manager like Mark will have to be heavily involved in the building and installation process of his new server room. When the Zella Pro arrives, all Susan has to do is place it in the desired location, call up her local electrician and air conditioning contractor to commission and install. The whole process will only take a couple of hours. Susan can now install her rack-mounted IT equipment. Susan will be able to start monitoring the micro data center immediately with her phone or from anywhere in the world with the Power IQ software. As this process is so quick and easy, Susan is able to minimize downtime and any disruptions to her business. It takes almost 80% longer to plan and build a server room, so Mark and his business will face delays and disruptions during this process. And of course, downtime means loss of income. Finally, Mark has completed his server room and they can resume work as usual.
Susan knows she has made the right choice. Her Zella Pro's total cost of ownership over 3 years is approximately 35% less than Mark's server room.
Mark and Susan now have a new challenge. They need to move to a new office and take their server room with them. Mark cannot take his server room with him because it's a bricks and mortar structure. He will need to return the server room to its original state and start the whole process again in the new office. Meanwhile, Susan has made the right choice. Her Zella Pro can be simply disconnected and wheeled out to the new office in no time.
Visit zelladc.com to find out more.